warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Aditya Ananta Mahdi. I'm from Nautica Level 2.
Hey, how did your English exam go?
Not bad. Thanks. How about you? How about your presentation go?
Oh, it went really well. Thanks for helping me with it.
No problem. So, do you feel studying together for our exam?
Yes, sure. Come over around 10 o'clock after breakfast.
Alright, I'll take my notes. Hi Adit, how did your English exam go?
Not bad, thanks. How about you? How did your presentation go?
Oh, it really well. Thanks for helping me for it.
No problem. So, do you feel like studying tomorrow for our math exam?
Yeah, sir. Come over around 10 p.m. After breakfast.
Alright, I'll bring my notes.